Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I am here to demonstrate about how can we auto retrieve an file from an FTP server automatically. So this will reduce our daily task of checking the FTP server and downloading the file. So this will be taken care by the Python script. So let us see how can we write the file. So import, I will have the modules, couple of modules imported. FTP lib OS time schedule globe, then from easygui import star, from date util import parser. So above all the modules are available in the Python standard library, so you don't need to worry, as well as the third one also. For the second one, easygui, this is the module which we need to install it. So you can install it by going to the command prompt by pip install easygui. Say command prompt pip3 installed easygui. You can directly install it by going through here. So I have already a video made for easygui. I will be putting this link in my description. So if you guys need to go through that, you can go through that module easygui, how the module easygui is. So let us move forward now. Message equal to, so first I will write the scripts and then later I will make you understand each line by line how the code is written and what each code will do. Please select the folder. So one, now let's get 2. Display equal to button box message comma choices equal to choices. So basically what I'm going to do here is like I have an FTP already created, and if you see, this is my FTP folder and this is my FTP location and this is my folder 1 created for here, and inside the folder 1 I have the path here. All the files will be listed over here. So currently I have only one file, text, and this is my not this one, sorry, and this is the area place where my Python script is located, and here only my files will be there. Like what is the latest file, it will download here only. So currently I have only 2 files. I have only one file over here and one file on the same file in the FTP server also. So this is nothing but the user needs to select the folder path here, from which folder he wants to download the file. Okay, so now I have a function here, set def fetch. Since we will be auto scheduling it, for auto scheduling we are writing this function. So we'll say list of files equal to globe text. So currently I will be testing only for the text file, text file. So for you can just select anything. Say for if you are looking for exe file, you can look for exe file. If you are looking for JPEG file, you can add and start JPEG you can put. So based on your choice, whatever file you want, whatever type of file you want to download automatically, you can put it over here. Next, latest file equal to max list of file. Okay, list of file comma key equal to os dot path dot get and time. Then next we'll have file name equal to os.path.base name latest underscore file. Okay, this is nothing but this is just a check in my current directory how many files are available and what are the file names of those. This will just check that. Next I will be just connecting to the FTP equal to FTP lib dot FTP. So now you need to write here the server name. What is FTP server name? Mine is 192.168.1.10. Then what is the username? Test. Next is what is the password? So my password is hello@123. So this will make the connection to the FTP server. Now what I need to do is like it should automatically choose based on it should automatically go navigate to the directory based on what option I'm selecting here. So if display equal to choices 0, that means folder 1. Then what it should do is like ftp dot, it should change the directory. Okay, folder underscore 1. Then ftp dot retrolines list. So it will list all the files present in the FTP server in that particular path. Names equal to ftp dot nlst. So it will just list. It will have a list and it will just write the list now. Next we have final names. Then what it will do is it will just get the list of files, a list of name with that particular text file. Since I'm using text file here, so it will list all the files with the text. It will list all the file names with the text format. Okay, file names equal to line for line in names. Okay, if text inline. Next we have latest underscore time equal to none, latest underscore name equal to none. For name in final names, time underscore 1 equal to ftp dot send command mdtm. Always make sure after mdtm have a space and then close it with quote plus name. If latest underscore time is none or time greater than latest time, latest name equal to name, latest time equal to time underscore 1. Now what we are doing is like based on that print FTP folder. So we'll see the latest file in the FTP folder, that is the latest underscore name, and we will be printing another output of the file name that is present in the local folder. This is just for testing purpose. In the real scenario you may not use this, so that's not required. Okay, file, I think file name, yeah, file name. Okay, now I'll put a time dot sleep for 1 second. Now if latest underscore name equal to file name, then print no new file available in the FTP server. else else file equal to open latest underscore name comma wb print latest underscore name is available and downloading. Now the next statement, which is used for retrieving the file now from the FTP server, is ftp.retrieve retr binary binary r re, which is in caps, tr plus latest underscore name comma file dot. Alright, this is the command that is used for downloading a file from an FTP server. Okay, now we have if else command here, so we'll use else here. Else, that is for first if statement. If you're choosing any other folder, then you can write the same code as above. The same code as above. Now schedule dot every 10 seconds dot do fetch. Just for testing purpose, I am showing for every 10 seconds. Now it is not really required that every 10 seconds you need to do this retrieval part. So instead, what you can do is like schedule dot every day dot at, so you can put the time, so what time you want, so morning 6 o'clock. To search. So you can write this command also. So for testing purpose, I'm showing you 10 seconds, but you can use this script also, like every day it will do this at 6 o'clock, or else you can say like every Monday, Tuesday at 6 o'clock. But the better is like you can make it every day at 6 o'clock. It will just check if there is any new file available in FTP, so it will download, else it will just leave as it is. So while that was statement true, schedule dot run underscore pending, and that's it. Let me just go through the code once again. Basically, this part is to show the UI to an user to select the folder name. So if you have multiple folders to navigate, so you can have multiple folder in the list format. Else, for the time being, I am using 2 folders only, folder 1 and folder 2, and then it will display a button box. And this is from here I will be fetching that for every schedule, every 10 seconds or every hour or every day, you can use that schedule function. And I'm just putting all the code block in this function. And first part is like, it will just go to the text part. It will just go to my directory path, say local directory path. This is the path where my py file is present, and it will just go and it will list the latest file over here, that is the hello text file over here. So based on the text path, so if you are using any other files, any other file formats like exe, zip, jpeg, png or anything, so you can put it over there. Then it will list that path. Okay, then at the end I will get the file name. This the file name will be the latest file. What is the latest file here? This will write as the file name. Now next part is like, I will just connect to the FTP. This is the code to connect to the FTP server with the IP address of the server, username and the password. Then based on the choice boxes, I am just choosing 0, that is for folder 1. Then it will navigate to that particular folder. It will just this part 2 code will be using that, listing that folder, listing the file items, and this will be like final names. What this is going to do is like, this will list all the files, and then it will pick only the files which is having text form, text written in the file, say .txt, or for your case you can use any other formats, so you can change based on your requirement. So latest time is equal none and latest name is equal to none. So for the time being, if there are no files, then it will show none only. Then what it will do is like, for name in the file names, so whatever the name in the file names that's having the text format, time the underscore one is equal to, it will just send the command to the mtdm and will check for the latest time. So if latest time is none, or if the time dot one is greater than latest time, so if the file which is, if the new file is present and is greater than if the new file is available in the active server and it is greater than the latest file, if like greater than the previous file, or the time format is greater than the previous file. Next, if latest underscore time is none, or let time the underscore one is greater than the latest file. So if there is a file which is available and it is greater than the latest file, the time is greater than the latest file, then the latest name should be new name and the latest time should be the new time, time underscore one. Got it, right? And then it will have a print command that is for printing the local latest name of the file which is available in the folder, FTP folder, as well as the file name which is available in my local folder. Next, what I'm doing is like, if the file names are, if the file names are same, if both the latest file names in the in my local folder as well as FTP's folders are same, then it should select there are no new files available in the FTP server. Else, if the file names are differed, then it should say me yes, there is a file available in FTP server and ftp.retrieve binary, this is available to download the file. Next, this else part will do the same. You can write the same code as else. You can say else, then it will schedule for every 10 seconds to fetch the job, to fetch these jobs to do. In your case, you can use any other functionalities for doing it. Then while true, schedule.unpending, time.sleep. I have also created a video with respect to schedule. I will also put a link for this in the description. If you want to go more details, or if you want to use more functionalities of the schedule option, you can navigate to my video and get the get help from there. So let us see, let us run the code. Invalid syntax. Okay, sorry, I should have a comma outside. So it will choose the folder name, folder 1. Next, what it's going to do is like, it should list the file name in the directory FTP folder. Yep, and it is showing like FTP folder is having latest file is hello text, as well as the local folder is also having the new file called hello text. So it says no new file available in the active server. So this will run every 10 seconds and it will say the same thing. Now let me put a new file in the FTP folder. Hello. Let me put a new, so hello copy. So what it is going to do is like, it should say, I'll let it go for 10 seconds. Yeah. What is the error here? It says like FTP folder copy and hello copy text, and local folder is hello.txt. So it says hello copy text available downloading. There is some error which I need to see what is the error here. Okay, if you see like my hello.copy got copied here, but after that I have some error. Let me figure out what the error is. So here also I have the same error, which will be retr plus r. So we should have a space in quotation here also. Let me run the program once again. Now it says both are having both the latest files. Let me change one with let me add another file over there. Yep, you can see in this case FTP copy text we have, and local folder is having only hello.copy text. So it is hello copy text is downloading. You can say available downloading, and we'll see the same file in the salt folder. See, so this is how we can download and file from an FTP server automatically without end user intervention. So hope you have understood my FTP video concept. If you have liked my video, please press like button, and for more such videos please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.